In 2012, a bizarre message appeared online. "Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals." It was signed Cicada 3301. What followed was a global scavenger hunt, puzzles hidden in images, cryptic codes, even posters in random cities. Solving them required insane knowledge of cryptography, literature, and obscure philosophy. No one knows who's behind it. Some say it's a secret society. Others think it's the CIA or something darker. Winners? Silent. Disappeared. Was it a recruitment test, a game, or something else entirely? Cicada returned in 2013 and 2014, then vanished. Still unsolved. What do you think Cicada 3301 really was? Like and subscribe for more unsolved mysteries.